friends, welcome to SNA Real Estate. Friends, let us talk about Delhi and NCR real estate market, friends. So first of all, let me give you the good news that Delhi NCR sees sale of 3,300 luxury houses priced at least 4 crores in January to June. This is the fresh report from CBRE, friends, right? So it is, look how much it is. The luxury housing segment comprising units priced at least 4 crore saw strong momentum in the January and June period of this year, registering a growth of 27%. According to real estate consulting firm CBRE South Asia's India Market Monitor Q2 2024 report, total sales of luxury units in the same period stood at 8,500 compared to 6,700 in the same period previous year, friends. See how much it is, and this is the appropriate time, friends, for what you are waiting, dear. Please invest in. You will be reap out maximum benefits, believe me. So this is the right term, right time. In fact, if we talk about in terms of quality, Delhi NCR topped the list with sales of 3,300 units, an increase of 13.8% on year, followed by Mumbai with 2,500 units recording 13.6% on year growth, Hyderabad at 1,300 units with a 44% growth, Pune that saw sales of 1,100 luxury units saw a growth of 450% on year. Pune's demand of luxury unit was nearly six-fold, friends, on an annual basis. In the April to June quarter, if we talk about sales of luxury housing in the top cities registered a 40.1% on year growth. The quarter witnessed total sales of 4,410 luxury housing units compared to 3,150 units during the same quarter last year, said CBRE. The report added the surge in demand, friends, for luxury housing is indicative of growing preference by affluent buyers for enhanced amenities, yes, of course, and more spacious living areas. Absolutely right. The aspirational class is also on an upward trend, which has driven the luxury unit sales up, friends, which is a very good news. And investments by NRIs and astute investors in Indian real estate market have considerably contributed to the heightened demand for luxury properties. Capital value growth in this segment is projected to stabilize with an increasing focus on core project fundamentals such as quality, location, and access to essential infrastructure. Moreover, the ongoing mega infrastructure projects across the country, including transportation networks, highways, airports, and metro systems, are poised to bolster real estate growth. These developments are likely to unlock new market, establish satellite cities, and stimulate growth in peripheral areas, making luxury housing an attractive investment, said Anshuman Magazine Chairman and CEO, India, South Asia, Middle East, and Africa, CBRE, according to their research and studies. Magazine says that they foresee a strong momentum in the overall housing market for the remainder of the year. So friends, this is the right time to invest as the market is on boom, going on upward momentum, and it is the best time to do anything. Be in tune with SNA Real Estate and know more about the details and the insight of the properties. With you, for you, always SNA Real Estate. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.